Hi guys, so I received this mirror for reviewing purposes. It's a rectangular mirror, which I think it's really nice. You can place it in your bathroom, your hallway, wherever you want to place it, and it comes with the instructions. As you can see, it tells us how to install everything. Okay, you can place it horizontally or vertically, which gives it well, so much versatility. As you can see, it comes very well protected with lots of foam. Comes also with all the screws you need to install. As you can see in here, there they are. It comes with these plates so you can place it, okay, however you want it. And as you can see, lots and lots of foam, okay. It's a black matte frame, which I think it looks really nice. Okay, let's pick it up. It's really nice. I like a lot how it looks. It's really robust, the frame, which I think it's perfect. And this is how you can frame it, okay? With this wire, you can set it up so it hangs horizontally or vertically, okay? So let's go ahead and install it. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. As you've seen, I place it horizontally, but I think it will look quite nicer if we take it. Flip it like this. Okay. It looks really nice. I like it a lot. It's really versatile because you can place it in your bathroom, in your hallway, like this, or wherever you want to place it, and I think it looks really nice. The frame is quite big, okay, so it looks really nice with the frame, and well, I like it a lot. I will recommend it. It's a quick installation, and I like that you can interchange the way it's placed, okay, horizontally, vertically. You can change it depending on the situation, or if you want to leave it like this, it's perfect, okay? I will recommend it. See you guys.